Welcome to the heart of the Amazon jungle, a vast and awe-inspiring expanse of greenery that covers much of South America. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is a complex and biodiverse ecosystem that captivates with its sheer beauty and ecological significance. Home to an incredible variety of flora and fauna, the Amazon jungle is a living testament to the wonders of nature. Towering trees, dense vegetation, and winding waterways create a lush landscape that is both mesmerizing and mysterious. Within this jungle sanctuary, countless species thrive, from colorful birds and elusive big cats to unique insects and amphibians. The symphony of sounds, the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the gentle flow of water adds to the enchantment of the Amazon, creating an immersive experience for those fortunate enough to explore its depths. Navigating the winding rivers that snake through the jungle unveils hidden gems and secret pockets of life. Indigenous communities, with their rich traditions and deep connection to the land, add a cultural dimension to the Amazon experience. Their sustainable practices and intimate knowledge of the jungle contribute to its preservation, emphasizing the delicate balance between human life and the thriving ecosystem. However, the Amazon faces threats from deforestation, climate change, and other human activities. Understanding the importance of conservation is crucial for preserving this invaluable natural treasure. Join us as we embark on a journey into the heart of the Amazon jungle, a realm of unparalleled biodiversity and natural wonder. Butty of the World invites you to witness the beauty of this extraordinary ecosystem, to appreciate its significance, and to contribute to the efforts that ensure its survival for generations to come. Thanks for watching.